Well, it appears the Crude brothers have returned for a bit more punishment. With the zombie apocalypse approaching, they will be subjected to Zombie Repellent, Apocalyptic hot sauce, followed by Takis Zombie Nitro, Habanero, and Cucumber Tortilla chips, followed by White Zombie hot sauce. After which, we're gonna make them pop a few Zombie Zits. Then, Zombie Cajun Garlic sauce, a little bit of Zombie Survival Can energy drink, and last but not least, we're gonna hook them up to an IV and infuse them with zombie blood. Say hello to the Zombie Gauntlet, Crude brothers!
We've been told by very reliable sources that when the zombie apocalypse comes, this will be the formula to avoid infection from zombies. You have to follow this to a T, but if you follow these steps, if you get bitten by a zombie, you'll be saved. The steps of the Zombie Gauntlet are, we're each going to eat 10 zombie Zits, which are sour cherry lemon candy. Then we're going to have 10 Zombie Takis each. We are each then going to be infused on an IV with zombie blood, or we'll drink zombie blood, followed by zombie energy drinks, and then a spoon each of Zombie Cajun, Zombie Repellent, and last, White Zombie. So let's start with Zombie Zits. We'll show it right here.
1.
Oh, they're really hard.
But they're chewable.
Not really. More like hard candy.
It's quite hard, but they're not that hard.
Oh yeah. Move these aside for a second.
Two.
What do you think of those?
Pretty good.
They remind you of anything?
Not really.
Um,
Well, like those other candies are, I don't know how to describe it.
yeah, I'm trying to think of the one that that it's reminding me of. Maybe Sweet Tarts a little bit.
Yeah, those.
Straightforward ingredients, is just candy, sucrose, sugar, and a little bit of zombie pus from their Zits.
3.
Past gauntlets, we've gone sour. Obviously, we've had our hot sauce lineups. We also had our insect gauntlet, and that was kind of gross.
4.
This is the first time we've done spicy, sweet, spicy, all in the same thing, so my stomach's kind of dreading it.
Sure. 6. 7.
Well, for Zits, they're not bad. I can deal with them. I never knew Zits could be so delectable. Next, Taki Zombies. This is the Zombie Nitro flavor, Habanero and Cucumber. tortilla chips. Marked very hot.
Wait a second.
This is not going to mix well.
Oh, sugar sounds too when you're chewing them.
All right, Taki Zombie. It's a little harsh, eh?
No.
You tend to like Takis. I've never thought a whole lot of them. They're a little. They're sold like that they're spicy, but no, they're more just harsh the way Tabasco's harsh.
Yeah, too.
So what do you think of that flavor?
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's corn.
Habanero and cucumber.
Yeah. Very, artificial tasting cucumber. Do you taste any habanero?
A little bit.
Bigger. Some harsh lime. That's where the harsh is coming from. And they don't really, well, it's a seasoning, but that's about it. So, probably not a whole lot.
That huge one.
Probably not a whole lot of natural habanero. Well, not a huge fan of either one of the first two. I didn't think I would be though. They're decent.
Last one. 10.
Taki Zombie.
Green fingers.
All right. When let's try the zombie blood. Zombie blood energy potion contains similar nutritional content to real blood. If zombie blood energy potion should reanimate any undesirable creatures, leave the room immediately and call the zombie protection agency. Reanimated creatures can only be stopped by shotgun blast, fire, and decapitation. Okay.
Okay. And the company's in Las Vegas. It says.
Specimen name. Looks just like a hospital blood pouch.
Yeah.
Okay, I think they just twist off. Oh gosh. Or does it? Yeah, it does.
Oh god. Something that you've never thought you'd ever do in your life.
No, definitely. Definitely not. Cheers!
Cheers!
Zombie blood!
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Oh.
That's actually a really good flavor.
You like that?
Yeah.
Oh man. I don't know if my imagination's just like drifting a little bit. I mean, it's got a hint of like blood taste.
Really?
I don't know. I'm tripping out. Maybe maybe when I'm having the Takis, my tongue is like weird. It doesn't taste like I thought it would taste.
Actually, the aftertaste doesn't taste that good either.
It's like, what were those? Do you remember those icy freezes? It was a thing from when I was a kid. Sugary stuff you'd put in they were in plastic sheets, and then they would go in the freezer, and then you would squeeze out the.
Oh yeah, I've tried those.
It's kind of like that melted down, isn't it?
Yeah, but
My stomach is rumbling already.
Which is not that bad. Make sure you get every single drop.
Yeah, I got it. Ugh.
Okay.
Bleh.
To be honest, that was a bit better than I expected, but the aftertaste wasn't that good.
I don't know what I expected.
The aftertaste was terrible to me. Well, just a little
Zombie
bit.
mutagen free, in case you're wondering. Not an actual biohazard, it tells you. Alright, next in the gauntlet, the Zombie Survival Can Energy Drink. Drink entire can contents to ensure speedy escape. Fill can with rocks, then throw can at zombie. Substitute for gas mask in case of toxicloud. Oh, this is some useful stuff. Use can to collect rainwater, boil if necessary, and then dispose of can properly. Sounds of litter can alert zombies to your presence. Yeah, the only reason we're gonna, normally I wouldn't have Nick have an energy drink. Energy drinks are definitely for adults only. They're, hyper, they're great if you're an adult and you're driving on the road and you got 12 hours to drive and you're in danger of going off the road. They're fine for keeping you awake because they combine caffeine with taurine and sugar. But, yeah.
I'm not the best at opening these soda type cans or whatever.
Yeah, I'm proud to say Nick hardly ever has any soda. We're not a soda or a really sugar family, which is kind of funny considering the videos that we do sometimes. We really don't keep any sugar in the house, cookies and candy and stuff. And then you knock it back.
It looks disgusting. The green stuff.
Yeah, it has kind of a...
Smells like soda.
It does. It tastes like soda.
Wait, did you try some?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even see you. I think I can drink the whole thing.
Yeah, it tastes like regular soda. I don't know what flavor though. What would you say for the flavor?
Flavor's awesome. I'm not the biggest fan of soda, but it definitely does taste like soda. Like a lime sort of soda.
I haven't had a regular soda in 10 years probably.
It's, yeah, like a lime sort of taste to it.
Yeah, kind of like, have you ever had Sprite?
Yeah, I love Sprite.
So you're feeling energy to fight the zombies? Is it working?
A little bit.
My stomach's thanking me at this point for gracing it with all these together. Makes for a nice mulch in the gut. If you like regular soda, Sprite, you would probably like this. It has ginseng in it, so that's one healthy thing. Gauntlet, zombie.
Not much left in there.
Okay. All right, next on the gauntlet, this is the Zombie Cajun Dual Protection Garlic Hot Sauce. Now we've had the original Zombie Cajun flavor in a video we actually called Zombie Apocalypse. I think that's the title of it. If you scroll back, it's one of our, maybe in the middle of the pack of all of our videos. Here we go. Taste buds are probably not at the point of judging at this after all this other stuff.
But it's not bad for heat.
No, a light sauce. It's not.
I probably rate it 2 out of 10 for heat, and for flavor, I'd probably give it a 7 or 8 out of 10 for flavor.
So you like it a lot, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a good taste. Yeah, I like it too. Yeah, 3 for heat and probably 6 for flavor. I like this one a little bit more than the original Zombie Cajun. But
I like the original better.
Okay. Zombie Repellent Apocalyptic Hot Sauce. This one features habaneros. Actually, I should have said the Zombie Cajun one features aged pepper mash.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. It's got some heat. It's fine. Come on, Pepper Master. Woo. Nah, there's not that much heat.
Yeah.
It's a little harsher in the scheme of all this stuff.
Oh.
Come on. I didn't think I was going to get him. today.
Once you get the hiccups, you know it's trouble.
Woo! I type habanero up. No matter what, I get hiccups.
You're the hiccup master.
Woo!
For heat, I'd probably give it a 7 out of 10 for heat.
Okay.
Or 6 out of 10. For flavor, I'd probably give it I don't know, probably a 5 out of 10 for flavor.
Okay. Yeah, I like the flavor. I would give it, I suppose 6 out of 10 for heat because it's giving me hiccups. Must have well, the first ingredient is fresh habanero pepper, so it's got some pretty solid heat. And then flavor, it's pretty good. I'd give it probably a 5. All right, next and final, the hottest one we have. Well, maybe hotter than this one. This is White Zombie. I don't know if I showed the Zombie Repellent. This is White Zombie. Captain Tham's Chili Pepper Company. And this one features Red Savina mash. The Red Savina habaneros are the hottest habaneros. So let's complete the gauntlet and finish our protection of ourselves.
Alright.
Alright, okay. How does that smell?
Doesn't smell that bad.
Okay. Alright, White Zombie. Finish the gauntlet. Excuse you. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Not that bad.
Oh, you're right. It isn't that bad. Oh, interesting taste. Interesting. Yeah, for Red Savina mash, Red Savina habaneros range from what to what on the Scoville scale?
350,000 to 580,000.
And the regular habaneros are what?
100 to 350.
Yeah, so this one had Red Savina mash in it. This one just had fresh habaneros, and this one was hotter. Interesting. Oh, and a lot of interesting other flavors in this one, the White Zombie. Carrots, onions, white vinegar, brown sugar, white sugar, papaya juice, pineapple juice, banana, brown rum, lime juice, salt, and spices. So it does have a kind of a tropical flavor to it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right. My stomach says thanks. That was the Zombie Gauntlet. You guys are wonderful. We appreciate all the support. Thanks for watching, and see you guys
Later.